All right, we've got a brand new construction inspection out here. This particular builder does not let me on the roof, does not let me open the electric panel, and does not let me in the attic. They also send you and the buyer, or me and the buyer, a form stating they've passed all county inspections and their own internal inspections, and that anything I find is an interpretation of quality. They're not required to fix it, and the buyer is not afforded a re-inspection. So let's just do a quick and dirty walk around here. Got an outside receptacle here, melted. You know, interpretation of quality here. I don't think so. Take a look in the garage. Who knows what's going on in there because I can't open it. Up here we've got a garage door buck nut missing, and then they installed a bracket over top of it, no screw in that bracket. The buck looks like it's pulling away just a little bit on this side. The other side looks like it's pulling away a lot worse. Same thing. They removed the nut, no screw in that bracket. As a side note, I don't know why this is such a problem these days, but the wind load rating stickers on the garage door weren't marked as to what model is here. So anybody that gets a wind mitigation in the future, you know, the inspector's not gonna know which standard to go off of. Going in the front door here, again, they do their own inspections to model standard. I mean, that looks horrific. A little bit of bad paint work here. If we go inside, in this bathroom, we got cracks in the corners of the grout line all the way around. I'll take you to the master, that one's worse. Also in the master, same in one of the guest bedrooms, but I'll show you here in the master. We've got a couple windows here where this is how a window lock should work. Locked, unlocked. This one, you see it's not sitting flat. I don't even know if I can do this with one hand. You gotta crank the window down while trying to get the lock in. So we got two locks like that in this house. And then in the shower in the master, let's take a look at this. Cracks in all the corners. Massive cracks around the bottom of the shower where the floor meets the wall. Same thing in this corner. Cracks everywhere. So, you know, they've done their own internal quality inspections and they've passed code, so they probably don't want to fix anything. And the form also states the buyer is not afforded a re-inspection if they do fix anything. So if you're getting a new house, get the inspection regardless of what the builder says, because they're here to build and sell houses, not make high quality houses. At least these high volume builders aren't. So always get yourself a home inspection.